In today's video, I'm going to talk about a principle that Edwin Friedman wrote about in his book Friedman's Fables. And principle number one is communication is not logical, it's emotional. Communication isn't logical, it is emotional. And let me give you an example. When you have resistance in your relationships or resistance in your message where people just aren't hearing you, you can't change their mind with logic. You can attempt to, but the communication process isn't logical. So don't make the mistake of trying to give people facts about why they should do something. Let them feel the emotional process in the context of what they're hearing. They have to feel the emotion. Here's an example. I'm sitting in an executive's office, and he had just agreed to give me $4,000 to get started on a project. And then he said, no, let's go ahead and do everybody. So he knew it would be $8,000 because it's twice as many tests, twice as many assessments. And then he thought, and he said, no. Okay, how much is it going to be? What kind of a discount do I get? And I said, no discount. Then he got really angry. And he said, well, then let's just forget it. And I said, okay, are we done? And he said, yeah, we're done. And he was really angry. And I said, well, that's kind of what I was feeling. So I began to non-verbally put up my stuff and then walk out the door. And then he began to follow me out the door. And I stopped and I said, hey, before I leave, can I ask you a question? And he said, sure, what is it? And now all of his resistance is gone. And I said, where did I lose you? And then he began to give me all of his logical reasons for why I should give him a discount. I listened with respect. And then I said this. I said, I hear you. I respect that. Can I share with you how I feel about it? Now, this isn't logic. This is how Roger Davison feels. I said, here's my feelings. You're the CEO of this company. You need to make investments in your business. If you feel like you can get a return on your investment, that's what you should pay me. It doesn't have anything to do with discounts. It doesn't have anything to do with if it's $8,000, $9,000, $7,000, $10,000, whatever. Here's how I feel. If you feel like I can help you, then pay me what I ask. And if you don't, you shouldn't hire me. And he said, okay, I'll think about it. I'll give you Tuesday. I'll give you an answer. I said, okay, Tuesday I'll call you back and we'll see where we are. So we went from to forget about it all the way back around to I'll let you know Tuesday. And on Tuesday he let me know and he hired me. So here's the lesson. It wasn't time to give him any logic. Logic wasn't going to help him. He had his logic in his head, and he had to feel the emotion of me leaving and him not getting what he knew could help him. Hey, thank you very much, and I hope this video helped you. See you, bye.